All right, watch my playlist and hit that sub button down there so you can see any other videos that we make. Please hit the thumbs up. And we're going to work on this mobile home right here. Has a rubber roof on it from who knows when back in the day. He wants the overhang like we do on our rubber roofs. That's where we're at. Right, this is the job for the day. Already has a rubber roof on it from who knows when. I'm not sure when, but it has a rubber roof on it. We're getting ready to take that off and give him an overhang. He wants the overhang like he's been watching on my videos. Check out my playlist. I have about 100 of these. Literally 100 different mobile homes that we've done. You'll see on my playlist. All right, so what would you say we did this thing? How long ago?
Yeah, 12 years.
12 years ago. All right, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. This is an unusual one for us. Hey, look at that. Look, that side already has a 2-foot piece. That's all we got to take it off and add the overhang. Yeah. So anyway, we did this house years and years ago, and if you look, you'll notice it's way different than the ones that we do now. I have a lot of people say this rubber won't hold up. This has been over 12 years on this one. Not sure exactly why. I guess he just likes the overhang that he's seen on my videos, and he's a new owner of this place and wants to put an overhang on it. So we're going to add the overhang all the way around this. All right, first of all, we're going to pull this rubber back, cutting it right here at the top of the termination bar, the old termination bar, because we're leaving it. We're not going to take it off. We're actually leaving it. And them gutters will be covered completely over with plywood, 2x4s, all kinds of stuff. You'll see as we go. Pulling it back, pulling it back. Like I say, we did this one a long time ago. And they want overhang. So we're gonna cut it back all the way around. Get rid of this rubber, which is 045 EPDM. Esther, Patrick, Daniel, Mary, EPDM. Cut it back, add an overhang, put a 2x4s on. Beautiful, guys. Cut that end off. This end's ready. Because we have a 2-foot piece out here, we're adding in blocking. Basically like a plywood clip when you have to add a plywood clip. We're gonna have a 6-inch overhang here. So it's gonna block all the way down here just to keep the OSB from being able to go up and down on all the in-betweens. So we're gonna do both sides like that. All right, so this is what we're doing here. We are adding all the plywood is done. All the way around. They're finishing up the 2x4s in the back. They've already been done. There you go, Bill. Home Depot pencil. All right, so look at here. This is 2x4 we add to the front. After we got our 6 inches plywood hanging down all the way. Add that 2x4. Screwed, just like that through the top with exterior deck screws. Paul's cutting off the overhangs down there. Yes.
55 and 7/8.
That's 55, 70?
That's what he I didn't measure it.
Go cut it if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Paul, 55 and 7/8, huh? You must have been using Billy's tape measure. Getting her done. Man, that's great right there. Look at that. All right, everybody. We got day one finished. All the plywood is installed. The overhang is installed. The rubber is on the roof, but we don't have it glued down. So tomorrow we'll come back and glue all that down. All that'll get glued down. Sunshine, sunshine. There you go. Nice overhang. See what we do right there? You can see what we do. Overhang, 6 inches all the way around this thing. We don't want water coming down the windows anymore. 6-inch overhang all the way around. Just like that. Use the 2x4 for a face. Cover that gutter up. You can see the gutter underneath there. See that gutter? We're covering that gutter up. Gone. You never see it again. We're going to wrap that with metal you'll never see under there either. Wait till you see tomorrow. Yes, sir. Tomorrow's video will be much better. So, here we go. We're done for the day. Brunswick County, North Carolina. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Huh?